Hello everybody, this is an incredible find. Reddit user NightmareT12 and YouTuber Leo K. Rogue posted this information and video pertaining to the newly found ECU message that lies in the Siwa Vault. Before we continue, we wanted to tell you that we have social media accounts and we try to update regularly. Please go check us out. Here are the names on the screen and they will be linked in the description down below. To discover this message, you must first kill Flavius, but do not continue the main story. While you still have the apple in your inventory, go to the Siwa Vault and it will open, and this message will play. In the video, I'm going to decipher what the message says and what I think it all means. Much like the 6th message in the ECU vaults, this messenger is a new voice. He sounds older and wiser, almost more knowledgeable of his surroundings and what is going on. But that could just be me trying to figure out who this is. Just saying this at the beginning, there is no reversed audio in this message that I could find.
Here they are, awakened from their slumber. One by one, so many. A library, repository.
Who was awakened? And why were they sleeping? Why does he relate to them like a library? My theory is that he's talking about the Hidden 12. If you're not aware, in Assassin's Creed Unity, you can discover messages between Juno and Layla, or John Standish, as the player knew him. In one of these messages, Juno mentions the Hidden 12, and how she will revive her race and remake her world. To continue this theory, this also involves Dr. Alvo Grammatica, who is the head of the Phoenix Project at Abstergo Industries. The project's goal was to fully sequence an ECU DNA chain and relive the memories of the ECU era, possibly to learn more knowledge about the Pieces of Eden. And as of now, from what I know, the Instruments of the First Will, who are Juno's followers, now took over Grammatica's lab and technically run the Phoenix Project. Is this what the speaker is talking about? Bodies being remade, being awakened?
We extinguished the flame. Knowledge will return. Eventually. The eye. The temples. The vaults and the apples.
Most of the ECU originally wanted to smite the humans down for being weaker, lesser beings. The ones who didn't, including Minerva and Saturn, who is Juno's father, was then killed by a human slave, and this is what drove Juno over the edge with her plan to save humanity from itself. Could this speaker be talking about Juno returning? Is she the knowledge? Along with her return, he mentions the eye, which is what Desmond touched to release Juno into the world. He then mentions other pieces of Eden and temples.
Until then, how much benighted use will this power serve? It may take ages until your kind becomes enlightened.
Until Juno's return, how much of the pieces of Eden will be used in the wrong way, or at least the wrong way compared to what the ECU would use them for? The speaker says it will become ages until we become enlightened. I believe the enlightenment is Juno returning to take over the world. Much like Juno, this speaker believes that the humans must be saved from themselves.
Who stands in this chamber? At long last, the light has been cast. But I fear your blood is the thickest of shadows.
Now, it's easy to say that this speaker is talking to Bayek, but I think he is talking to Layla, through Bayek, much like the other ECU messengers were. The light that has been cast might also relate to Layla, due to her importance in the 6th message of the original ECU recordings. His fear is that her blood is the thickest of shadows. I think that means that she will follow the assassins. For those of you who are not aware, at the end of the game, Layla agreed to travel with William to Alexandria, but doesn't say that she is joining the Brotherhood. My speculation is that she will assist the Brotherhood and vice versa, and she is the key to something big coming up, like mentioned in the previous Isu videos that I have made, which I will link them down in the description. Please go watch them to understand more about what I think and speculation about the Isu and their importance in Assassin's Creed Origins. Please tell me what you think about the secret message in the game. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. We will see you guys in the next video.